Let's review some data in beadedcloud for snow profile monitoring for avalanches at the Tin Can Ridge near Anchorage. This site has a single temperature cable that's 4.5 meters long with 31 sensors at 15 centimeter intervals. This is the beadedcloud dashboard page for the site. It defaults to 1 month of temperature readings, and you can change them to different settings using the toggles along the top. Here we'll change to 6 months worth of data. The dashboard shows data in 3 ways. At the top is a time series plot where you can pick a certain timestamp, and then at the bottom there's a point data table that shows all of the sensors readings at that timestamp, as well as the vertical profile for that same timestamp. If you pick a different timestamp from the time series plot, you will see the corresponding data below. As you move along the time series plot, the data below will change along with it. Let's look at some specific data and what it means. This is the December 23rd timestamp. At the bottom, you can see a few sensors buried in the ground in red because they are not frozen. You see a diagonal line of sensors that are already in the snowpack. Above this, you'll see the sensors that are still responding to air temperature changes. Later into winter, you can see the February 8th timestamp, where there are the same sensors buried in the ground, but more sensors are in the snowpack, and fewer sensors are in the air responding to daily changes in temperature. On April 10th, you have even more sensors of snowpack and fewer ones above it in the air temperature. Through May and into June, you can see that the weather starts to warm and more sensors are now above the snowpack in red as they are above freezing, and fewer sensors are still in the snow. In the beadedcloud dashboard, you can also see a Google Maps view of your site and where it is located. Beyond the observations already presented, the avalanche forecasters received both expected data sets as well as unexpected cool stuff that they weren't expecting to see from this real-time data set. Contact our team today to learn more.